Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. The thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the middle button. And after the watch turns on, you probably will see the option saying that basically select language on the screen, and you can tap on it to move further. It will open the list of languages. You can scroll through it, find the language you would like to use on your watch, then tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will need to set up your profile, so tap right here to continue, and then you can set up your profile by selecting the preferred options like gender, year of birth, metric system or other unit system, time format, and I believe weight, height. And once you're done with the profile, you will see connect with SUUNTO app, and if you go further, it will tell you to download the SUUNTO application, and it tells you how to pair the watch with the SUUNTO, or rather through the SUUNTO app. So let's go to our phone, make sure we have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Google Play Store, tap on search and type in SUUNTO. Then tap on search, and you should see this application SUUNTO. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, you will need to log in into an account. You can use the account that is basically, as you can see, it gives me proposals which account I want to use. I'm gonna tap on none of the above because I have different accounts. I'm gonna tap on continue with email, but you can also continue with Facebook if you want to. And I'm gonna enter the email I want to use. So give me a couple of seconds. Then we can tap on continue. And now we need to enter the password. And after you log in, you will see the welcome back message. Tap on continue. Here we need to allow some permissions for the application. So if the button is blue, tap on it and allow the required permissions, like that. Right here you can subscribe to the newsletter if you want to. I'm gonna tap on skip. And now you should see the home page of the app. Tap on the watch icon in the top right corner. Oh, never mind, the app automatically started searching for the nearby devices. But if it doesn't, simply tap on the watch icon. It will enter this page and it's gonna start looking for the devices, and it should detect your watch. Once it does, tap on pair. Tap on pair here. Enter the code from the watch. And here we have a tutorial how to use our watch. I'm just gonna tap on X right here to skip this. Allow the SUUNTO app to manage your watch. Here tap on done, and now the watch should start syncing with your phone. It's gonna take a while, and if you see this pop up, it's about the notifications permissions. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to allow this permission by tapping on allow, and then scrolling down, finding the SUUNTO app, tapping on the allow notification access, tapping on allow, and then going back to the app. If you don't want to use the notifications, you can tap on don't allow and deny the permission. And now we can wait until it's done syncing. It's gonna take a while, so I'm not gonna do that, but basically after it's done syncing, your watch will be connected fully with the phone. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.